Taxi Nathaniel out here in Sun Valley, California. And right now I'm going to be conducting a First Amendment audit of the Los Angeles Metro Division 15 bus maintenance facility. It's a bus yard here in Sun Valley, which is part of the city of Los Angeles. And we're going to make sure that our friends at Metro respect and honor my constitutional right to film what I can see from a public space. So let's go over there and audit. So, LA Metro, which is officially known as the Los Angeles County Metropolitan Transit Authority, was founded in 1993 following the demise of RTD, or Southern California Rapid Transit District, which used to be the primary public transportation service for Los Angeles County. Now it's Metro, and they service the greater Los Angeles area and the surrounding communities. So we're gonna audit this bus facility, or what should I say, I'm gonna audit this bus facility because I'm here by myself. Well, I guess if you want to count my shadow, you could say that I'm not alone. But I'm going to see how they do, see if they respect my right to film in public, see how they react to it, and let's check it out. Sign right there lets me know exactly where I'm at. I'm at the Sun Valley Metro Bus Maintenance Facility. There's a look into the yard, the bus yard. This is where the buses come in and out. And we got a Metro bus driver there. Looks like he's cleaning his bus, or he's doing something. Maybe he's checking the tire pressure or whatnot. I actually used to be a commercial bus driver, so I kind of know a little bit about what they have to do, the dot sheets that they got to fill out before they go on the road and the such. So this here is one of the older buses. You'll see in a moment the one that's coming out behind it actually has a little bit more of a newer design, like that one there. That one's a little bit newer. It's more rounded. I wonder how much they charge people to place those advertisements on the side of the buses. I should advertise my channel on the side of one of those. There they come. I don't know, these accordion buses, they look to me like they'd be quite challenging to drive, especially in an area like downtown where, you know, some of those streets are pretty narrow and there's not really a lot of room to move around, so I don't know. There's like a Metro maintenance vehicle, and then we got another. This is one of the newer clean air buses. Bus number 230. Coming out. Let's see how they. Alright, yeah. I'd like to see that movie, Ford versus Ferrari. Kind of looks interesting. Well, so far all is peaceful. They're leaving me alone. They definitely know I'm here. No doubt about that. Looks like we got a Metro employee going to work. He's going over there into there. Looks like an employee entrance. Let's go check it out. So this looks like the employee entrance, where the employees come in and maybe you know, get themselves a soda or a snack before they go out on the road, or, you know, punch a time clock. It looks like we got a security vehicle over there. See if he notices me. Maybe he's just going to ignore me, or maybe we'll get a little cam back or whatnot. See what his car says. Is this DMI International Security? Okay, so Metro contracts with an outside company. Is he coming over here? What he's doing? Hi! What was that? I can't hear you, the plane. I'm sorry, I gotta get close. I can't.
Why are we taking pictures of the division?
Of the division?
Yes.
Oh, because it's Metro. It's interesting.
Are you media?
Huh?
Are you media?
I'm independent.
Independent.
Yeah.
Kind of curious about you. I wonder why you're doing it.
Just filming what I can see from public.
Okay. Well, continue on.
Oh, sorry, I can't. This plane's flying overhead. I can't. What was that?
If there are any issues, we both identified each other.
Well, I don't mean to keep asking you to repeat yourself.
If there are any issues, we both identified each other.
There's no issues on my part.
No, not at all.
All right.
If there are any. Okay.
All right, have a good one. Take care. All right. He's going back inside. Maybe he's gonna go tell on me or get a supervisor out here. So I don't know. See what he does. There he goes. He's gonna park. Huh? I can't hear you. Did you say I don't have permission to film you? Well, actually, I don't need permission because I'm on public property. You have no reasonable expectation of privacy in public, sir. Well, he's gonna. Looks like he's gonna make an issue about it. Oh, what's that? Well, it looked like he was leaving, and now he's like parking again. I don't know what he's doing. That's like a Nissan. I think that's a Nissan. Hey, he ain't digging it too much. Well, security guy over there still sitting in his car. It looked like he was leaving, and then he saw me, and then so he says I don't have permission to film him. But well, he's not getting out. He's still just sitting in there. So I'll hang around for a little bit longer, see what they do. I don't know if he's called the police or whatnot, but well, we're gonna find out soon enough. Huh? Oh, he's coming out. There he is. He's going over this way. I'm kind of curious to see. Uh-oh, what's going on here? He's a little curious about me. He's just gonna hang out here and just. Did he park over there because he wants to get out of the shade and would rather be in the sun, or is he just gonna? Maybe he wants to keep an eye on me. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's taking a report or something like that. Well, let's see what happens. Well, he's still sitting over there in the same spot. He's not coming over here to approach me. He hasn't gotten out of his car yet. Maybe he's scared of me. Maybe I don't think I look that intimidating. I mean, I don't look like a terrorist, do I? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this audit up. Not really sure what to call this. I think I'm gonna do what I've kind of been doing a lot of lately, is letting you, my viewers, decide. Do you think it's a pass? Do you think it's a fail? You decide. I myself personally would kind of lean more towards a pass because, yeah, the guard tried to say, you know, I needed his permission to film him, blah, 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 but he didn't get out of his car, he didn't put his hands on me or my property or try to obstruct me in any kind of way. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to lean more towards a pass on this one, but at the same time, I'm going to let you guys decide what you think, whether it's a pass or a fail or whatnot. So, please say so in your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that groovy stuff. Thank you for all your support, and stay tuned for more videos. Nasty Nathaniel saying happy trails. What was that? I can't hear you. I'm gonna have to. What was that? I'm sorry with all the traffic. Well, actually, I don't need your permission, ma'am. You're in public, so.
Yeah, I know, but why are you recording me?
I'm actually recording the buses, but I'm only recording you because you got my attention. Let me get out of the road before I get run over. All right, there we go. Well, I was actually filming that bus. That was going to be like the closing scene, you know, where you hear like the funky 70s music playing, but she got my attention. Well, every time I think this audit is over, something else happens. I see my security friend there. He's checking me out. Oh, he's cam backing. He's still doing the cam backing. So it's okay for him to film me, but I can't film him. So we hear that over and over again, auditors that is, and people who watch these types of videos. So I guess, well, you know, I highly doubt working security at a place like this. Is super exciting. So this is probably about the most exciting thing he's going to see all day. Now he's backing up. Well, like I just mentioned, this is probably about the most exciting thing he's going to see all month, or maybe all year. I don't know. Let's see if he tries to follow me back to my vehicle.